And we're taking a look at the roads all around the area. That's a live look up at Cleveland. If we can switch over to the traffic maps here, and you're going to be able to tell that, yeah, it's coming down at a pretty good clip here. If we take links 4, there we go. So 71 at Fields Erdel, you got the constant snow coming down. This really shows the snowfall rates, and you've got one little path that you're going to find even on those 4-lane interstates. 71 at Ridge Avenue as well. Hardly any cars. This is the best thing. You're starting to get the compacted snow, though. That's just going to add to the slickness, even though you've had several different plows continue to go through. They've been doing everything they can. It's just literally impossible to keep up with these snowfall rates. 75 at Ronald Reagan, obviously a typical slowdown spot. We love that there are hardly any cars, nobody even on the southbound lane, so that's good news. Still have that car that's going to be there for probably a day or two, if at the bare minimum. 71, 75 cutting the hill. But we've seen 4 or 5 plows at the same time come through the south or the northbound lanes going down the hill. You can't even tell that that happened now, and that was about 30 to 45 minutes ago. It's just coming down so heavy that the plows are just trying to make things manageable at best at this point.